We want medium and small factories can use our robot. We will let even the most small factories can use robots. This is purpose of JHY robot. The robot market is still belong to European brand in 2014. JHY robot don't want to directly compete with them. We focus on medium and small factories and we mainly produce welding robots. JHY's target is very clear. Those small factories have small scale and less phones. 80% factories in China is small factory, and almost all the small factories need high technical machines urgently. And small factories need upgrade automatic ability to increase their market competitiveness. JHY company works together with some famous graduate school to get more technical support. JHY company now have 20 kinds of industrial robots, and they are the first company in China to develop welding robots. Companies in China don't want to develop welding robot and applications. The most popular products is handling robot, because handling robot only require the start and end, and it don't need so much accuracy. But many of robot welding applications need full position welding, and the work pieces are always different and complex. And the welding seam will have different shape, so the welding robot needs high accuracy. JHY company thought this is a chance for them. Then they focused on developing welding robots, and now they have mass production. The robots are used in many industries, such as auto parts, electrical car and motor car, steel furniture, fitness equipment, medical instruments, new energy, steel structure, kitchen light fixture, construction machinery, building template, power tower, and so on. JHY robot is professional and the price of a robot is good. Cost of our standard robot is similar as 1 year's salary of a good welder. The robot design life is 10 years. The robot can work 24 hours with no stop. JHY robot is changing the robot industry. We make a lot of small factories to use good JHY robot. In future, the robot will be like the standard tools. Everyone can use it. The market is very big, and only we can go into this market. At the same time, we let people who produce robots in China see the hope. Chinese robots can get good welding results with cheap price. The application of welding robots is rapidly popularized, increasing factory productivity, improving production efficiency, consistent weld formation, and great improving product qualification rate. JHY welding robot can communicate wirelessly with the factory production management system, and all welding parameters can be uploaded in real time. The entire process can be monitored and traceable. In the future, the industrial factory will have the intelligent workshop data link. The JHY robot is a port for producing big data. Welders are all in the front line of the workshop, especially in the heavy industry. There are a large number of electric welders. The more people in the workshop, the more likely they are to have personal injury accidents. The JHY robot insists on people-oriented and safety first. Give the work to the robot and leave the time to the family. In order to solve more industrial applications, JHY company continues to invest in develop more and more types of robot applications. Since its establishment, JHY has developed, produced and sold various industrial robots. We provide industrial robots with various functions such as welding, cutting, grinding, packaging, assembly and handling, as well as corresponding complete solutions. Years of research and development production has enabled JHY company to accumulate a wealth of experience and gain a good reputation in the robot industry. In recent years, the concept of artificial intelligence has been continually booming, and emerging technologies such as robotics, cloud computing, and big data have developed rapidly. JHY Company has carefully summarized the experience of robotic product manufacturing and has accelerated the upgrade of robot-related products, while constantly striving to improve business capabilities. JHY also actively helps industry peers to make progress together. Over the years, JHY Company has been committed to help small and medium-sized manufacturing enterprises to improve their automation, reduce labor costs. JHY strives to achieve unmanned factories and strives to create value for users and society. JHY's enthusiasm, meticulous and patient service has won wide acclaim from all customers. With the spirit of hard work, JHY Company has created incredible industrial robot miracle. The rapid development of JHY robot is inextricably linked to its unique product advantages. First, the JHY robot is the first domestic brand in China that realizes all the robot parts is made in China. We have core technology. Second, from design and development to production and application, JHY robots implement quality control systems with high standards. Each robot has a separate file and all the components are traceable. Third, the JHY robot has strongly independent research and development capabilities and excellent cost control capabilities. We break the barriers of expensive robot body and turn the robot into a popular product in the industrial production field. More than 70% of the core components of domestic industrial robots need to import, and import costs account for more than 40% of the total cost. The JHY robot broke this situation and relied on strong R&D capabilities to achieve 100% made in China. We spent half a year to overcome the robotic industrial problem. The rapid movement will cause a small shock. Its self-developed anti-shake technology and lifting speed technology have applied for national patents. The robot's repeatability has reached to 0.03 to 0.04 millimeter. JHY Company is based in Wuxi, Jiangsu Province. We mainly developed and produce industrial robot bodies, robot positioners, robot walking rails, and robot project integration. For the development of key markets, JHY Company successfully invested and established 4 holding subsidiaries of Hebei JHY, Shandong JHY, Henan JHY, and Shenzhen JHY. In future, JHY will continue to open demo centers in key cities in China, and JHY's overseas layout is also in full preparation. For the future market layout, JHY will still insist on serving small factories. This original intention will not change even if your factory is small as a workshop. As long as your product meets the robot using characteristics, we must let you can afford robot and use robot. With keen market insight and precise self-positioning, JHY has become the most important member of the robot industry. Don't forget your heart, you'll reach your goal. JHY robot is always helping others. We will respond to the national strategy and always go with the party. As a purely domestic robot enterprise, as a national high-tech enterprise, JHY has a responsibility to actively participate in the general trend of intelligent manufacturing. We will do our best to develop more and more robot applications. JHY's vision is to make every factory can use robot.